Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Good morning. As a reminder, this live stream and everything I say on this live stream is not financial advice. This live stream is simulated trading only. Everything said here is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Good morning. Rise and shine. Wakey, wakey. NASDAQ and Bakey. Let's go. Trading. What's up, Jared? What's up, Simi? What's up, Michael? What's up, guys? Oh boy, I'm ready to catch a bag today. The show goes on. The show goes on today, I'll tell you that much. What is good? I only trade stocks. Is your NQ system transferable to QQQ? Yes. I spent more time trading options in individual stocks than I have futures. Fun fact. Been trading for 10 years. A lot of that was spent with options and equity. Yes, sir. Good morning. Yes, let's go. What's up, everybody? What's up, RT? What's up, Gronny? Ben Smith, Mixie, Cam, Chris, Mac, Brad. Igor says, good morning from Chicago. Good morning, bro. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. What is my 2-bar strategy? It's a 2-bar setup, and it involves a trending market with aggressive 5-minute candles. Good morning, boss, from Globe, Arizona. What's up, Globe, Arizona? What's up, bro? How was everyone's weekend? You guys have a good weekend? Your boy did. Roy had a great weekend. What is your lullaby? So good morning. Happy Monday, my friend. Good morning, everybody. Let's go. Yep, we ended last week with a winner. Winners back-to-back, Thursday and Friday. Charlie, you join me. If I'm your mentor, you join me. Let's see. DOD, let's catch a banger. That's right. Is this real or BS? Stick around and see. I think you'll find out. Less talk, more walk. Hi, Jdun. What's up, boss at MB? What's up, bro? I gotta let all my socials know that we're live. Gotta let everyone know we're on the live stream. Yo, I don't know if you guys saw, but the new Lucid daily plans are fire. Lucid just dropped daily payouts, everybody, with their brand new plans. They just dropped them last night. So if you guys haven't gotten a Lucid account yet, or if you want an account with daily payouts, this is the one. Let's see here. Let's go. Yep, Lucid just dropped daily payouts. And the eval is 2-day pass instead of Tradeify's 3. I still love Tradeify. Don't get it twisted. Yeah, David, I wouldn't hire him if he's not 18. I'm looking for professionals, and I don't say that in a rude way. Yep, appreciate you asking, bro. Shout out to the young hustler, Ambitious, man. Yep, if you guys have ever traded with the firm TPT, I'm not a fan. I've heard a lot of problems, just like I have with Top Step. But if you've traded with them, now there's no reason not to. If you like those rules, you might as well be at Lucid. Better payouts, better back end team. This new Lucid daily plan is fire, super fire. I did not take a trade for Asia or London. I was sleeping. I was dreaming. I had a dream about Turks and Caicos, actually. Fun fact. I want to go back to Turks, man. I had some deep REM going on. I had some deep REM sleep happening. Well, the Lucid Dailies are also nice now too, bro, but Lucid Pros are great. Lucid Pros are great accounts. There's no getting around it. I will always love the Lucid Pro. Always. Hello from the Buckeye State. First time on, joined mentorship program yesterday. Let's go. What's up, Ken? As a Nebraska fan, I can't say I'm a super big fan of the Buckeyes, but then again, you kick our butt every year, so what do I have to say? Nothing. Nothing. Hey, JTS Racing, you're back. Welcome, bro. Welcome, man. What's up, Cam? Welcome in, my bro. Fade in, fade in. I'm in short. What do I think? I don't have a thought right now. Not in regards to that. I don't have any thoughts in regards to that. Not at the moment. Your page is fire. Thank you. Appreciate you, bro. I do my best to make such page fire. Give you guys the fire content and the fire education. How long does the Vanquish code you sent me stay good for? I believe 30 days, maybe more. All right, yep, goodbye. What's up, Snoozy? Snoozy said, I just reinstated my premium this morning. It's just not the same on the free lives. I'm telling you, bro, we'd be vibing in here. Let's go. What are you trading on? Buy. Oh, buy. I can't see your screen. That's because I'm a goofball on a Monday morning and I haven't shared it yet. But guess what? Now I'm sharing it. Now you can see my screen. What's my consistency rate? Pretty freaking consistent. 70 to 80% win rate. Hopefully I have streaky good days this week. Last week was slow, but ended up very nice and green. No trades Monday, no trades Tuesday, losing day Wednesday, then a back-to-back winning days Thursday and Friday. Do I also trade ES? Sometimes. Not a lot, but sometimes. Consistency rate equals yes. That's right. Oh, man. You guys all got a good night's sleep? You guys all ready to make some money this week? Hope y'all are ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready. I'm ready to make some money. I can confirm that consistency rate. Jdun has very few losers. Let's go. Lucid's not 60% off, but they did. But they did add daily payouts. Yep. So if you've ever used TPT before, a much better plan, much better firm. Yep. Brand new plan. They just added the plan last night. You can click that and check it out. It's called the Lucid Daily. Just casually drop some daily payouts. Did I never? Oh. Don't fly. Dun, 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 dun. Is FX replay good for backtesting? It could be. I trade both. Cassie bot. Do you use the same strategy on every trade, or you have a few of them? So, I mean, I have a few tools I use. For example, like I'll trade a 2-bar once in a while, but I don't trade 2 bars in every trade. It's time to make some money. It's time for us to make some money. You guys ready to make the money? Oh, you're in the... There we go. Hold on, hold on. Don't fear the Reapers on. Oh, boy. It's going to be a good day. That's how you know. Let's go, guys. We got less than 15 minutes left till market open. See what we can get. I had a good feeling about this week. I was going over this yesterday, but I'll go over it again. We have a decent amount of data and earnings this week. So this week, as far as earnings go, we have Microsoft and Meta on Wednesday, and then we have Apple and Amazon on Thursday. So we have a lot of big companies, very, very big tech companies reporting this week. Something to be aware of. Then in addition to that, we also have a very big week of data, guys. We have not a whole lot today, not a whole lot tomorrow besides consumer confidence. And then Wednesday, we have FOMC. So it is FOMC week. It's Fed Chairman Warsh's second ever meeting. And I believe it's almost 50-50 to whether what they do with the rates. It's like 60-40. On Thursday, we have GDP and PC. And then on Friday, we have PMI. And we have consumer sentiment. So lots of good things happening this week. Yeah, we'll see how we go leading up into FOMC. Sometimes we get a little choppier leading into it. Not always, but sometimes. Not always, but there is sometimes. Thank you, at Jdun. Because of you, when I look at the price of anything now, I think how many points in MNQ it costs, brother. There's no going back now. Like when I tell y'all to buy a Team Bull shirt, I'm like, guys, that's less than 2 points on NQ. That was my wife and girlfriend. Doing great, bro. They're making breakfast right now. Looking forward to a great week. Don't you have no fear? I got no fear when it comes to trading. Man, I'm struggling in life. No job, no nothing. What do I do? Well, you get your purpose intact. You go get a job. You start building, even if it's uncomfortable, and you start to figure it out one day at a time. You're not going to fix your life overnight, but by having one good day of good decisions every day, you will. What's up, Grizzly Glock? It was a great Thursday and Friday. Wednesday was on some BS. But missed you, man. How was your vacation? Yep. Do it for the... On the grind. I hate when that happens. Nice. We're in a very interesting spot with the market now between either A, going back into that daily range if we keep going up, or if we lose 28.2 or this downside, we could see a pretty aggressive move down, in my opinion. Down? Me too. Me too, bro. Good thing is if you can't sleep, you can just trade London. You sound like Gene, bro. Seems like I couldn't sleep, so I was trading till 3 in the morning. Sir, you need your beauty sleep. Come on. You got your coffee this morning? Nice. All right, guys, we got 6 more minutes till open, my friends. 6 more minutes. 6 more minutes. Let's go. Am I bullish today? I don't have a bias right now. No bias for me, bro. At this moment, no bias for me. Especially on Monday, my least profitable, historically, my least profitable trading day. Live day trading. Right now, every entry and exit. Positive vibes, Jay. Yeah, positive vibes only. Positive vibes only. Good vibes only in these live streams. Trading is hard enough already. There's plenty of other influencers and people who stream who will be all negative and drama and all that. Not here. Not here, man. If you want drama, you can go to CNN or Fox News or Facebook. We're chilling here. Y'all are funny, man. You got anything to watch today, Grizzly Glock? Waiting till open to enter. I got a position in gold. I don't trade for the first 15 minutes of New York Open. If you guys didn't see, Lucid just dropped those daily payout accounts, the Lucid dailies. Way better than Take Profit Trader. So if you guys like those daily payout accounts right away, unfunded, this is the one, man. Let's get it, guys. Come on. It is an aggressive red candle. All right, guys, we got 2 minutes until open. Everybody, let's go. If we win some trades today, I will be... Maybe I'll give away some Lucid daily accounts. Maybe that's what I'll do. Let's go. Thumbs up. Some cash. Let's go, everybody. It's Mega Money Monday. Let's get it. Yep. I was going to say the same thing. It's your fault. The market is officially open, everybody. As a reminder to everyone in Team Bowl Premium, welcome in, welcome in. Appreciate you guys being here. No lag or delay. The #1 live place to listen to live trading and to trade alongside your boy each and every day. Appreciate you guys being here. As a reminder as well, appreciate you guys using code Jdun on your prop firms, trading smart, trading safe, and the most important is following your own rules every day. So I asked you guys in Sunday Prep yesterday to identify one thing you'd improve today, whether it was patience, discipline, no tilt, no over trading, focusing, having more confirmations, whatever it is. Focusing on one piece of your trading to improve today. So I want you to stick to that. I want you to write that down. I want you to make sure that you're aware of it this morning as well. And if you haven't made that promise to yourself, make it now. That's the only way that you improve, is by improving bits and pieces of your trading every single day. When you join me, I want you coming in and saying, I made progress in my trading journey. I took a step forward to becoming profitable today. So type it out in chat. What are you going to improve? What is one aspect of your trading you're going to improve on this week? Tell me. Type it out in chat. Stitch says no over trading today. That's a great step forward. Joe says no revenge trading. Jungle Jim says patience. Jalapeno says holding winners longer. Jay says patience. Tyler says learning options and not over trading. Slash says trimming. Purple Heart Trade says execution. David says no impulsive trading. Tripster says being patient. Hopper Coffee not being greedy and also no revenge trading. Yep, one piece of your trading you can improve every day. That's what I want you to do. Base hits of improvement. Respecting my stop loss. That's a huge one. Let's get it. Good morning, everybody. Let's get it. We'll see what they give us in this market today. As a reminder, I'm going to trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused is exactly what I'm going to do. And as a reminder, if you're on the free live stream, if you're on TikTok, I welcome in, guys. I appreciate y'all being here. Appreciate y'all hitting that follow button in the top left corner. And I appreciate you guys liking this live. If you get this live to 120K likes, which with 1,000 of you guys and growing, should be no problem. Tap that screen over and over. Get the money-making, future millionaire fingers moving. Tap that screen. If all of you guys tap for like a minute straight, it would mean the world to me. And in addition to that, it would also qualify y'all for some free Lucid accounts. So we'd love to see that. Same with the YouTube. I'm live there, full screen share. I appreciate y'all tapping in, hitting that thumbs up, and being a part of the live. You guys hit the goals. I got free accounts coming out there too. So appreciate y'all being here. Trade smart, trade safe. Make sure you guys hit that bell icon, press that thumbs up, and let's get it. Come on. Let's get it, let's get it, let's get it. We got a big opening range so far, 620 to 490. So 130 points already. Got to add my Grizzology on. Slacking. What? Me neither. I don't know. And I won't know. All right, let's see. Asia, low and high. And we are. We swept Asia low and now just ripping. As far as our daily chart goes, everybody, we're still in this range of potential downside. Now, if we move up back above this week, above like 29.4, I had a sneeze. Hold on. Woo! Excuse me. If we move back above 29.4, I think we likely see a pretty aggressive move up to like 30. Appreciate y'all. As a reminder, guys, Apex's legacy accounts are back. You can use code Jdun for 90% off. We've had more and more traders getting payouts with Apex, making progress, and bettering their futures trading journey. Use code Jdun for 90% off Apex. What are we trading right now? NASDAQ. I call her Nasdaqita. It's a little toxic sometimes, but overall, it's a good relationship. Overall, I'm happy about the relationship and where we're at. Just it's a little toxic sometimes. The Brito Bandito. What's up, bro? You taking any trades in Asia last night? So, yes, so single stock futures with CME are technically speaking being launched today. You know, they actually tried it 20 years ago. A lot of people don't know that. They tried it 20 years ago, but they didn't have the liquidity needed. Well, thanks to all the degens of today's market, now the liquidity is there. At least that's what they're banking on. So it'll be very interesting to see how it plays out. Very interesting. That being said, I've been speaking to some of my prop firm connects, and I haven't gotten a definitive answer on when it's going to drop for prop traders. Let's see here. Oh, TWRS, have a blessed day too. I'm glad you're enjoying the live, man. I got you, bro. Let's get it. Let's see what we get here, guys. We got 5 more minutes till our 15-minute range is in. And then we will move from there and see what we can get. See if we can cook something up. Nice job. Rico said first bang on Daily Lucid. I'm getting off this now. Nice job, bro. I got my coffee now. Pay done is being activated as we speak. And pay done is going to try to get y'all paid. The ultimate goal this week is I want us to milk the cow. We're going to milk the cow known as NASDAQ. We're going to milk the cow, baby. Milk the cow. Milk the cow. Which prop firm starts today? I was telling you guys that Lucid dropped daily payouts. They just dropped a new plan last night. So if you're a fan of Lucid, you can use code Jdun. The 50K all-in is like 115. No activation fee. All right, let's see what we get, guys. It is intraday funded. It's just like TPT, but better. This should be good. We'll see what they give us. We'll see what they give us. Our TikTok loves restricting us, guys. Make sure you guys, after you hit the follow button, come on over to the U to the Tube as well, guys. Jdun trades on U to the Tube. It says you have been restricted for 10 minutes for Not interact. What? What? Jdun trades on You to the Tube, guys. You get full screen share. It's honestly a better live stream. If you're on You to the Tube, I appreciate y'all being here. If you haven't tapped into it yet, all 900 of you guys, go check it out. It's the same live. Same delay. You get full screen share, though. You can see my full charts and everything I'm looking at when I want to enter and exit. Yep, Jdun trades. Go over there right now. You'll see it. Hit that sub and let's get it. Better on a computer. See anything you like? We rejected pre-market low in that pivot. Real nice. What you front of me? Let's see, everybody, what we can get. What up, Teresa? Interactive brokers is cool. They're cool. The Lucid Dailies. All right, guys. So our 15-minute range is in. Now we can officially start looking for a trade. I'd actually prefer to see, as far as the 5-minute goes, upside and a break above our 15-minute high and pre-market low. That being said, doesn't care what I want. We trade the chart, not our heart. Our 15-minute range. I can see it. A little high risk and for how I trade, but our higher time frames point to downward movement this week. That said, we have lots of earnings, tech, and FOMC. As far as our first setup to see us, we're below all other key levels. Move below 15-minute and the pivot, then a retest for shorts. As 5-minute confirms. See us close strong above market low and staying patient and choosing DOD. Jdun's paying crazy good for the videographer. Someone's thinking a good old career, right? I put out that message. I was serious. If you're in Colorado and you're an absolute gangster videographer and editor, people are like, "Oh, well, I'm motivated." Don't want it. Don't want you. I said it in the nicest way possible. It's like if a hospital's hiring a baller surgeon, they're not going to go hire someone who's still in medical school. Oh, well, I'm really motivated. Well, that's great, but where's your qualifications, sir? So if you're in Colorado and you know someone, I got a few interviews set up today. What are my orange lines pivot points? I watched a YouTube video on editing. Can I do it? That's because I have music on. You can hear me type when I'm at the office. It's typically when you can hear me type is when I'm at the office. Yep, Lucid just dropped those daily payout accounts today, or last night, excuse me. It's the 50K is $115 all in. Jdun, how are you live every session? Because I'm built different, bro. That's why. That's how. They're not on the app yet. You have to be on the website for the new Lucid accounts. Yep. You have to be on the website, not the app. That's why you can't see them. Here for a good week. Yes, we are. Still staying patient, guys. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Welcome to the Jdun trade stream, trading the DOD system. I seriously cannot wrap my head around how trading works. Well, you found the number one place to learn. I'll tell you that much. We also have FOMC this week, guys, on Wednesday, and we have some massive earnings. We have Microsoft and Meta on Wednesday. Then we have Apple and Amazon on Thursday. Yep. Got some big earnings this week. Because it's DOD. What discipline? DOD. And we're ready to win. Thoughts on individual stock futures trading? Do you see yourself on those charts? Sir, I've traded individual stocks longer than I've traded NASDAQ. Yep. I don't tell you my indicators. Yeah, they're all a secret. They're only my indicators. No one else can know what indicator I use. Yep. Just like the trades I take. They're all private. They're my trades. Love to hear it, man. Been DOD for the past month. Have been most successful month so far. Nice. I like this pushback up. We'll see. Test that Asia low. What do you think, Grizzly Glock? You going to try it? Kind of sketchy with a doji candle. 550, 500. But Asia low's hitting so far. We went and touched Asia low up here, and now we're pushing down. We'll see what we continue to get. If we would have had some aggressive volume on this, I might have watched it up here. It's asking if you were going to take that Asia low. Oh. Would have been nice, like 1-1 so far. Yeah, she's moving down. Jdun, your build seems like you'd make a good fire truck worker, bro. Honestly, I'd be down to be a fireman. Everyone loves firemen. Shout out our firemen and women who are firemen. You know, no one ever says F the firemen. People are like freaking F the police and stuff. No one says F the firemen. You ain't never heard that before. Everyone loves firemen. Just saying. Sure, it's true. Oh, yeah, that'd be cool. Bye bye SpaceX. What's SpaceX doing? Is it dying? $110. Hey, once we get to 100 to 60 area, I'm gonna start buying SpaceX, guys. When we move down to like 100 to like ideally like 60. I'll probably add probably like I don't know 100 shares down at 100. Mondays are Jdun's worst days. Do everything opposite. I wouldn't go that far. They're statistically speaking my least profitable days, but reversing everything this year would have had you in a hole. Last year, I would have been like, yeah, reverse it all. So a reminder, I appreciate y'all being here and getting funded using code Jdun with Apex, Lucid, Tradeify, the Funded Futures family, and Funded Next. The Asia low, smack, Grizzly. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look, bro. Banking on your Tradeifys. Nice. Gene, you know what this song makes you want to do? Ski. It is. It's like my my heavier or like more vibey bass. I want to go skiing bad, bro. Will you go skiing with me, Gene? Team Bowl ski trip this year. But you have to be able to do blues and blacks. No beginners allowed. Sorry. All right, guys, we might get a trend-setting candle here. I'm going to watch for an entry at like this pivot, like 410 to 430 with stops at 470 for shorts. Oh, but it's nice being home. I'm going to watch for this like 400 area, 400 to 430, guys. That Asian low was it, bro. That Asian low was it. User 1086, he said, I'm a effing idiot. Don't talk to yourself like that. If you talk to yourself like that, you will act and execute like that. Not even on some hippie talk, but positive self-talk only, man. Come on. 400 area. Watch it for shorts, guys. Damn, I was really hoping they'd give us some sort of retest up. Not happening yet. This was the one right here, that Asia low. I mean, I wasn't looking at taking it, but it respected it nicely. It will depend on how this next candle forms, but it's on a high alert. Yep, Discipline Trader program does start today, and it's all recorded. You're good to go. You also got yourself lifetime access and all the AI tools. A lot of new members inside Premium. They got lifetime access too. Just open it back up. So everyone that got lifetime access, congratulations. The deal is honestly insane. All right, let's see what this next candle does for us, everybody. A 3 bar? No, just a 2 bar. Just a 2 bar. Uh-oh, I think I might be smelling something, guys. Do I smell a 2-bar? Am I smelling a 2-bar? Are you smelling what I'm stepping in? Your guys' favorite setup ever? Is that a 2-bar? These 2-bars. All right, guys, here's the deal for the explanation I give every day. If we close this candle weak for a higher risk setup, you can look for depending. We have to close down here. If we close right here, it's not going to be valid. But let's say we close down at 290. Look for a retest to like 330 to 340 with stops at 370. 2-bar alert. I don't like when we close close to it. Technically speaking, it still could be valid. Yeah, this, technically speaking, is still valid. And maybe not. See how it closes. I'd said, nope, I'm not going to take it, guys. We closed right here at 321. Our 50% retracement's 330. So we could get the rejection here and move down, but not where I wanted to close. So for what it's worth, you'd want to see us go into this 50%. I hate when we close right at it. We have more so of a doji right here than an aggressive trend candle down. That's why I'm personally skipping this entry up here. If we would have closed this candle down here on 290, 300, retest back up, then move, I would have taken that. Even 2-bar faked us out. Jaeger both. Make all the monies. Damn. So dirty. So dirty with that candle close, guys. Look at that. Look at that. Damn, low a day too. That's crazy. Oh, that sucks that we didn't get that previous candle close. But for what it's worth, you guys understand what you're looking for a 2-bar now. You get an aggressive push down. If we would have had a solid full body candle down, you'd retest this 50% retracement, and then you want to see us continue down. It's for any setups that you have or moves that don't have full retracements back. Just filled the gap from last night's open. Let's see. Just filled the gap from last night's open. Huh. We did, yep. At 300, that's right. We did. That is correct. It'll be very interesting to see how we react now. I'll still watch this area up here, though I don't like it as much. This is your about 30 minutes and a reminder to choose discipline over dopamine today, guys. Don't allow yourself to go back to your old bad trading habits. Trade smart, trade safe, and stay focused. I try to remind you guys of that multiple times a day. You want to make more bread? You want to do better in your trading? It starts with following your rules, keeping promises to yourself, and being a disciplined person. I wanna be. That Asia Low would have been it, man. The fake Jdun in chat is crazy. All right, let's see here, guys. Yeah, nope. I wanna be. Still nothing on the 15-minute chart either. I got like 5 Jduns following me. I swear, you guys probably got more Jdun followers than normal followers, bro. What's up, Rico? How's it going, bro? You guys probably got more fake Jduns than real people. You get like 5 a day. Jada, just logging in whilst on holiday to say I passed my first eval thanks to Jdun and DOD. Let's go, Stuart! Please do not give the money to Mr. Jdun Trades _245. Do not give the crypto. Don't give the crypto, bro. Do not give the crypto. Well, here was the problem with that 2 bar is we didn't have the full continuation second bar. That's why I didn't take it. Yep, no delay in premium. None. Oh my gosh, look at that. If we would have had that solid body, this would have been the one, guys. That would have been the 2 bar of the day. That would have been the 2 bar of the day, fellas. It is kind of hard to sit there and watch it drop. Why? Why is it hard to sit here and watch it drop? Is this the last time the market's ever going to drop? Is the market never going to drop again? This is the last time ever? If it's not the last time, then why do you have FOMO on it? Why are you worried about it dropping today? You're going to see plenty more downtrends. You're going to see plenty more moves to the downside. So when you constantly worry about missing a setup to the upside or downside, that's what breeds FOMO. That's why I'm so okay with sitting and just watching. That's what your job is. Half of your job is literally just being able to sit there and not do anything. All you need to trade is 3 brain cells. 1 to buy, 1 to sell, and 1 to stay patient. If you can garner up 3 brain cells, that is all that I'm asking from you. Is 3 brain cells, 1 to buy, 1 to sell, 1 to stay patient. You can find profitability. Can y'all do that for me? Can we agree on finding 3 brain cells to commit to this? That is all. That's all I'm asking for, bro. We got like 80 or in total brain cells. Claude says we have 170 billion brain cells. I'm asking for 3. I'm asking you to use 3 of those, bro. That's all. 3 of your 180 or 170 billion. No, 4th brain cell's not allowed in. Nope. 3 brain cells is all I'm asking for from you, bro. I gotta piss like a racehorse, but this 2 bar is almost in play. I don't like how much we basically pushed straight down. I think for an overall better setup, I'd like to see us for Monday come up to this like 50% retracement 420 area. That being said, this technically might be valid right here on like 290. Stops at like 325. The 2 bars playing out, everybody. She's trying. The 2 bar is trying up there, everybody, on like 280, 290. 2 bar is doing its best to 2 bar. 2 bar is doing its best to 2 bar. I'd still rather see a deeper retracement for a Monday. Yeah, I liked this first idea more. I'd still like to see a retracement to like 410 to 420. That'd be my ideal entry today. That'd be my ideal entry today. Especially because we're almost to previous day low. We already breached all of our key levels. You want to come say hi, Gene? I'll be right back. I had to piss like a racehorse. Be nice to Burrito Boy.
Hello. How's it going? Let's see. Yeah, for real. Man, what is up with this market? Oh man. What's up, man? How's it going?
The 2 barring? Is the 2 bar freaking 2 barring? Is that 2 barring? Wow, the 2 bar is 2 barring, everybody. The 2 bar is 2 barring. That would have been the one, huh? I still like the idea of us having a 50% reversal and moving. That 2 bar is 2 barring, though. Damn. Would have been, I guess, would have been over 1R. Would have been like 1 point, almost 1.4R. Not crazy, but the 2 bar is 2 barring. I repeat, she is 2 barring. I'd rather see an overall trend setup. I'd rather see us have an overall solid trend setup. Took it with 1R. Thanks. Almost 1,200 on one trade. I'll see you tomorrow, Jdun. Nice, Noah. Let's go. Nice, nice, nice. As a reminder, I appreciate if you're on TikTok, you guys hit that follow button. I am also live on YouTube, the Tube. Jdun Trades, full screen share. Same lag / delay, and you can see my full charts. So Jdun Trades on YouTube, the Tube. Come on over right now. People typically stay longer there too. Also, more free accounts get sent flying there. So appreciate y'all being here. Same deal if you're on YouTube, the Tube. Appreciate you guys hitting the thumbs up button on the live. We got almost 2,000 people here. Hit that like button. Hit that thumbs up. Get yourself qualified for some accounts to come your way. Let's go. Let's get it. For scalping, this 2R would have been nice. 2-bar scalp would have been good. Not huge trend move just quite yet, but for a scalp would have been good so far over 1R. Damn. I should have just taken the 2-bar. I should have taken the 2-bar, guys. The 2-bar on the downside just doesn't fail a lot. Now we're at previous day low. Wow. Look at that. Checking in from Hawaii at Jdun, looking to cash in another payout. This payout, nice. That Asia low was the real one. That Asia low was the real setup today. We're also at that previous day low too. We're at that big support area down here. Yeah, I still have like an hour and 10 minutes to trade. We still got a long time. Hopefully find a banger before that, but still got a decent amount of time. I can't believe I didn't even look at the 15. Solid retracement into the 15-minute chart as well. That sucks. Jdun, what are you doing, man? What are you doing, man? I'd still love to see a nice retracement back up to like 400. That'd be great. That would be great. Do I have any sponsors today? Nope, but you can use code Jdun on all of our partners. Apex is still 90% off. You can use code Jdun. I like the 50K legacies and 50K end of days. That's the highest percent off right now. We also have Lucid Daily just dropped, Tradeify, FFF, and Funded Next. Now I'm bummed about this 2-bar. Look at that. Just the one that got away, 100.2 bar. Or actually, yeah, it would have been right here. Yep. 100.2 bar. Sad. I don't even think this is going to give us higher volume either on this. Not even going to give us higher volume on the second one. Sorry, it's Monday. We'll be all right. Bruh. Do we try the elongated higher risk 2-bar? Previous day low matches up with 260, like 210 to 220 when it stops at 260 is what it would be. I'm trying it if we get there. It's going to be with micros, though. I'm going to be smart. I'm going to try it at like 210 to 220 with stops at 260. If we move up, if we get some aggressive move down first, then move back up, no dice. However, I will try it. Let's see. So 210, 220. I'll probably try it with like 1 mini, like 10 micros. So I'll put on something, man. I think it's higher risk, especially like now that we're moving below this previous low here. It's just got a little more high risk too. Yeah, I know. What are we doing? Yeah, I'm also try the shorts like 210, 220 area. I'll probably do like actually 5 to 8 micros on my live. So I'll keep my risk below $1,000 on my live account. It's just higher risks. We're in this big demand zone. Big demand zone. So there's a chance we just aggressively lost 2. Nope, I haven't lost anything today. Nope. Haven't taken a trade. It's possible I could lose. It's Monday, so it's statistically more likely. But do my best to catch a banger. 210 area is the second to... Never mind. We're in this pretty aggressive demand zone, so just be careful here. I'm so annoyed I didn't take that 2-bar up there. Why I'm more annoyed isn't so much the 2-bar, but I didn't even look over at my 15-minute chart. Whenever we have the same retracement on a 5-minute, being the 50% retracement of an aggressive 15-minute candle, a lot of times if you're on my full screen share, you'll see this will be the reject. That's why I'm upset with myself. I didn't look over at my 15. What a rookie Monday mistake. What a rookie Monday mistake. You guys keep telling me not to chase. I'm not chasing. Why do you guys keep telling me that? I'm not chasing. God, I'm like 30 people like, Jdun, please show the day they do not chase, bro. Not chasing. Jdun, you sound like you're chasing, bro. Please, I think you're on tilt. You must take a break before you lose the profit, bro. I'm not chasing. No, I get the temptation to want to short the lows, but the second you get that aggressive pop back up, you're wishing that you didn't. Out of my zone. I'd still like to see an aggressive pull back to the 50% retracement for an overall trend day. That'd be like 370 to 400 area. You're chasing my feet. That's kind of scary. We'll see what we get. Yep, I'm opening a 7-Eleven and I'm the only employee. Oh, good morning. Welcome to Jdun's gas station. May I please interest you in a nice glazed donut and a 50% off discount for our orange juice? Please come to my gas station and get Slurpee. And fill up your gas, bro. Oh, man. I'm honestly a little sketched out to try this next 2-bar. Well, I always tell you guys, in a serious note, the farther you get down, the more high risk these 2-bars come. So you guys look, we've went straight down. It's also not going to align with our 15-minute chart. So that being said, it could work here. It could work. I may try it with like 3 to 5 micros in the live. I may try it even less risk. So ideally, if at 5 micros, that'd be like 10 points. Nope. Get back here. You cannot do double cup for the Slurpee. You must, if you follow your risk management and you get payout, I give you free Slurpee. Redeem your payout certificate with free Slurpee. I will watch for this 140 to 150 area, guys, and let you know right now it's higher risk. So I'll probably try like 5 micros if it looks good up here on 140 to 150 on my live account. I'm not going to be trading on my fundeds. It's also risky we're bouncing this pivot. We also didn't have continuation on this 15-minute chart. It's a little sketchy too. Why do they keep doing that? It always restricts me on TikTok. All right, guys, if you're on TikTok, YouTube is a way better platform. How about that TikTok algorithm? YouTube is way better. You get full screen share. Go over to Jdun Trades on YouTube. Right now, all you guys go. We have 1,200 people here. I want to see everyone go to YouTube. Jdun Trades is the same live stream. You get the same free live trading, same lag and delay. Make sure you guys go on over to YouTube at Jdun Trades. I want to see all 1,200 people go subscribe and join on YouTube. I'll keep the TikTok live. That being said, I want to see all you guys on YouTube. Better platform. Yeah, on the computer or on your phone. Same exact live. I'm already live there. I'm live there every day. Jdun Trades, JDUN Trades on YouTube. Come join our YouTube fam. Come on. I do way more giveaways there as well. Come on. I want to see all y'all join. Let's go. Let's see what else we get. I think this 2-bar here is sketchy at 140 to 150. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I see y'all switching from the TikTok. Let's go. Welcome, baby. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button and make sure you hit that subscribe button on YouTube. We're building the biggest live trading community on Discord in the world. Let's go. Or on Discord too, but on YouTube. Here from TikTok. What's up, Lauren? Appreciate y'all being a part of the U to the Tube. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, this 2-bar is the one that got away. had a lot of people DM me and I see people post their games and such, but yeah, honestly, I just didn't, man. I should have. That's the one that got away. Not even Asia Low, bro. My 2-bar up at 10:15 candle Eastern time. I honestly wasn't even looking at Asia Low. I know you were. We didn't have the volume on that 5-minute. It was still early in that 15-minute range, so. And I don't think this is going to be a 2-bar because, listen, this is a good lesson here. We have higher volume, but what do you notice about these two candles here? I would actually argue this 28,000 area could be a bounce now. If we had some high volume reversal, this candle is significantly smaller. This is an anomaly. We have higher volume, but smaller candle. So someone's lying here, buyers or sellers. Someone is lying here. I can't believe I missed a 200.2 bar, though. That sucks. It won't suck in like 10, 15 minutes, but it sucks right now. For the record, though, the education's there. I wish with that 15-minute chart, I would have 100% taken that. I would, if we saw a high volume reversal candle that swept 28,000, I would try the longs. It would take a high volume reversal candle that swept, though, and I would take it. I would try it if we got that. I don't buy it just directly on the move down, but I would try it if we got that high volume reversal. Oh my gosh, guys. I can't believe that up there. That sucks. What a rookie mistake. Come on now. High volume reversal at 28,000. Take deep. Bro, you guys act like I'm freaking out. I'm really chilling. Not like, oh my gosh, I need to go take a trade right now. That's what people think I'm acting, bro. It's all right. Have I trade? No, I have no trade. Have trade? No. Sounds exactly like Seth Rogen. Jdun, I'm itching to trade, please. I'd love to see a high volume reversal here. That would be great. 28,000 sweep. High volume green reversal. Here's what I would look for, okay? Since the only place I take a reversal is if we saw some high volume wick up. At that point, I'd want to see us retrace the candle about 50%. It's probably like 28.40 with stops at like 27,990. That way, when you trade reversals, like let's say we get that high volume reversal and we move down and like let's say I enter here and it just dies. Well, at least my risk is defined to right here. You know, you don't find yourself in a massive free fall with price moving down. I'll watch for it. Come on. I think we're going to get higher volume. It's just a matter of which way we push. If we get that high volume reversal, I'm going to try a long on the retracement, guys. It's a little higher risk because you're going against the trend, but anytime you get that high volume reversal, I can't not try it if we get all the parameters in place. Doesn't look like it's going to give us that reversal, though. I was hoping we just get a nice push up. Not what I wanted to see. Not what I wanted to see. Could we still move here? Yes. Was it what I wanted to see? Absolutely not. I wanted to see us have a solid close up here, come back down to like 30 to 40, then rip up. So can't believe I missed a 600-point sell-off. Well, good thing there's going to be plenty more. There's going to be a ton more 600-point sell-offs to come. It's not the last one ever. There's going to be a lot more. Lots more downtrend days, lots more uptrend days. Does it suck in the moment? Sure, but is it going to suck later? Nope. Is there going to be plenty of more opportunity later? Yep. That's how I look at it. People are so negative. Yeah, you got to pray for them, man. That 2-bar, this is the one I'm upset about. This one right here. This is the one that got away from me. Otherwise, we've literally had no green candles. Like, no meaningful retracements at all. We still have a lot of room to the downside, too, guys. Like, I'm telling you, we have a lot of room down to like 20, like we talked about in our weekly prep. We got room down to like the 27s, 27.5 area, low 27s. You didn't short, bro. What are you doing? Chilling. Is this the last downtrend day the market's ever going to have? Did I miss the last ever? Is this the last day the market's ever going to go down? I'm honestly wondering. Could you answer it for me, please? Is this the last day the market's ever going to go down? Yes or no? Yeah, it's the last day ever. That's what some of y'all be thinking, huh? Yeah. Being able to sit here and miss moves and not put holes in my wall is a massive step towards my future. I mean, it really is, though. It really is a massive step forward, bro. To be able to watch price move and not be in and not do something stupid, yes, that's a great step forward. Whether it's holes or dumb trades. Tell you, a hole in the wall is probably a lot cheaper to fix than a blown live account, though. I think at some point we're going to see an aggressive move back up. That's the only that's the only deal. This could give us another potential 2-bar, guys. It gets higher risk the lower you go down. I like to tell you that all the time. The lower we go, the higher risk it gets, but I'll watch 28,000 area. I'll watch it still. We still have a little bit on this candle. Still watch this 27,800 area. I'd rather say 28,000 to 28,020. It's just higher risk, guys, with how deep the market's already trended down. See how we react in here. See how we react in here, guys. I'll let you know if I take it with any micros. Dun, 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 dun. Tried the 2-bar with a slight piece of micros at 28,005, guys. I tried the shorts. I'm trying it only with some micros, though. I'm trying the 2-bar only with 5 micros on my live account. So I'm risking... What is that? What is that total risk? Like 400? What was that? 45 times 450. And ideally, I will put on a full-size short position, guys, if we... I mean, we're a ways away from a full-size short. If we go up to like 28,250, like 250 to 28,300, way up at the 50% retracement, I will I'll try a full-size short. That's a ways away, though. I like this 15-minute chart. Looks great with stops, and the problem is the stops have to be at like 110. So I did try 5 micros short at 28,005. That's currently not doing great. We'll see how it ends up doing. We'll see. I have a stop up at 50, 51. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Five micros only. So for you, if you're trading on a live and you don't have a big account, it'll probably be like 1 or 2. So that might be like 100 to 150 point risk. We'll see what they give us here. I did try this 2-bar at 28,005. My stop's up at 51. We'll see what it ends up doing. And I'm currently in the red about 20 points. I'm not going to add either, guys. I'm going to wait. If we end up getting some high volume reversal, I'll look for the longs. Or if we get a move to like 28,280 to 28,300, that's the area I like for shorts. That's the full size area I like for shorts. Man, my 2-bar. All right, guys, my 5 micros are done. 5 micros are done. Stop filled. My 5 micros are done, everybody. I'm not in this position anymore. 5 micros stopped, no ads, 5 micros stopped. I will look for another entry at 28 or 28,280. I literally wiped my butt with $500. That's the thing. It's fine. You know, you win some, you lose some. You know, we tried the 2-bar, doesn't work out. Could have worked. It could happen on the first or second one too. I still like the shorts, just up at like 28.2. So it's going to be a bit before the next one. You know, for me, it's like maybe 100 is a lot for you. You could take $500 an hour from me and I wouldn't notice it at the end of the day, you know? So that's how I look at high risk trades that I don't put a lot of point risk on. Is what it is. I wanted to see continuation of low day. Now I'll watch for a move to like the 50% retracement or a high volume reversal. Only 5 micros. All I'm saying is you could take like $5,000 a day from my bank and I literally wouldn't notice it. Not for a while. So when I risk $500 or $450, not even $500 on a trade, it's nothing. So maybe that number to you was $100. Maybe it's $50. Maybe that's a lot. Well, then you don't take high risk trades. I like that too. I like that 280. I can see why you like the previous day low too. You don't know how to take an L, bro. You're literally on a TikTok chat. God bless you. Very tiny. 80% win rate. Just wait for the next trade. Trust. You notice $5? Well, then you probably shouldn't be trading. You should probably be working, bro. I like the shorts too if we move higher up. That or a high volume reversal. High volume reversal or a short as we move up to like 280. 28,002 to 28,280 is the next area I like for shorts. So let's see. Got potentially one more trade up at like 2. From a daily perspective, I like that 200. 200 to like 280. I just hope we don't reverse right here before then. Humble yourself, bro. The same people who, when I post my car and stuff, they're like, bro, be humble. Post a Honda. They're like, wow, you only drive a Honda? I'm like, come on. You freaking you silly boys gotta just chill. And we pray for you. God bless you. Positivity only. All right, let's see if we can find. I love my Honda. My Honda's great. I will watch this 200 area. I will watch this 200 area for shorts, guys. 200 to like 280. This whole zone in here. That's the last point that I like. Yep, we pray for the haters, man. They don't get very many opportunities. It's very rare. I have red days, so we'll see. I mean, mind you, if I put on my full size, at only 4, to be exact, 460. At 460 down. If I put on my even almost full size, 3 minis, congrats. 7 points later, it's break even. You a hypocrite. I see art through you, my boy. We're not a spell, bro. Come on. If you're going to talk T, at least use proper grammar. You gotta have at least a 50 IQ to talk T to me, bro. Come on. Come on, man. If you're gonna be mean, at least use proper grammar. I always tell the fake Jduns, I'm like, if you're gonna be a fake Jdun and scam, at least use proper grammar. You know? Yep, we have that 30-minute or that 30-minute orbs down there as well. I don't really use a 30-minute orb, but what's that? Three. That's like 340. We'll see. We also have an anomaly there, though. We'll see. I'll still watch this like 210 area. I like this area for shorts. I do go to church. Yep. God bless. Yeah, man. You know, that's the best part about having our premium community. There's no haters. It's great. All right, let's watch this I like that Grizzly. You know what? 210 up to like 280 area. We'll see how price reacts when we get up there. I like it. Waste the energy to hate, man. That's why you got to pray for him. Don't be cocky, bro. All right, let's watch the 210. Let's see. $210 to like $280, somewhere in there. We'll watch how price moves. So I tell you guys, though, on 2-bar moves down, the more 2 bars you get, the less likely they are. So you just got to prepare for that and actually follow your stop loss on every 2-bar you take. But nonetheless, the farther you go down. The delay in your YouTube is crazy. Yep, the free live streams are like 5 seconds delayed. So I tell people premium is the best place to be. There's no haters. It's more focused, tons of value, no delay. Premium is the best place to be for serious traders. I'm not imitating any accent, Mr. Chuckle. This is just how I speak sometimes. I'm looking for a trade to make profit. I'm listening to the. All right, let's see how this works. Let's see how this plays out up here, guys. Where do I sign up for premium? Let's see, guys. Hold on. We might have a trade coming up. I'm not going to take it right on the touch of 210. I'd like to see us come into the zone here and see a nice rejection. Let's see, guys. Let's get it. It depends on where we enter. I'll let you know my stop once we find an entry or a potential entry. Excuse me. We'll see how this like 210 area does. Let's see, guys. Come on. See a 200 to 280 area somewhere in there. Find a confirmation. That'll likely be the last area I try for shorts. That's the last area I would like to try for shorts, everybody. Have to. Yeah, if you're their website, bro. Come on. Give us like 210. 210 and failure. Nope, I don't know about that firm, Zoom Illumina. So I tell you to stick with our partners, bro. All right, let's see here. 210 area, I will watch. We have previous day low, and we have a pivot there as well. So I'd like to see us touch that area and fail. Yep, I like that area too. Oh, come on, man. We never went up to that 210 area. Sure, stay consistent. Yes, sir. That's what we do. I like to see us have a failure of this previous day low area in the pivot 210. Now, our 50% retracement, if you're looking at that, everybody, is, let's see, right at this 277. So I wish this was a little lower, but we'll see. Man, come on. Literally so close, guys. We got up to like 199, 200. So close. So close, my friends. Literally so close. One small size loser on the day for me today, negative 460. We'll see how we end the day. What do I think about longs? Not a fan yet. California. Come on. I got about 20, 30 more minutes, then I'll be done. Hopefully we can find one nice trade in here. If everything plays out, I'll probably put like 1,000 to 1,500 risk on, so closer to full size, and either get a really nice win or be down just under 2K on the day if I lose 1,500. So we'll see. He's literally got a Lucid trading symbol on the screen. Yep, you can use code Jdun with Lucid, Apex, Tradeify, Funded Next, and the Funded Futures family. Lucid just dropped daily payouts to do a plan far better than Take Profit Traders. If you've been on TPT, they already have a lot of problems in general. No reason you should still be trading with them. Go tap in and get yourself a Lucid account. Those Lucid dailies are fire. Super fire. There's too many problems, man. These new Lucid accounts are way better. Yep. If you guys are trading TPT, no reason to anymore after these Lucid accounts. Way better. Way better firm in general. Yep. Oh, you got to go to the website, not the app. You have to go to the actual website. Yep. If you go to the website and add account, you'll see the Lucid dailies. I don't like how we're flagging right here either. Ooh, let's see here. Man, I really thought they were going to give us that a 210 area. I really thought that was going to happen. Damn. Come on, man. Oh, man. I can't believe they did that just before. You see that, Grizzly? Yeah, a lot of people are big mad at you for what? Like what? You want to take a trade? Go take a trade. You want to take the shorts? Take the shorts. You want to take the longs? Take the longs. You know, it's like take it. The hate on makes them the best, and that's the reality. Is like if you're not doing anything, you're not gonna have haters. If you're doing something right, you do have haters. You want to take the shorts? Take the shorts. I'm like, do it. Dude, I know. I'm like, dude, if you want to take a trade, bro. Yep. I would have taken this if we got a failure Kindle up here. Just didn't get it. Don't. Oh man. I hope we don't make a higher low here with high volume candle. Woo! See, this is sketchy to short now. Look at this. Aggressive wick up over that pivot. Not really a lot I'm watching, man. I mean, I'll still watch for this area up here. It just sucks we're making an aggressive higher low before getting there. Kind of sucks. Tried that 2-bar down here, got stopped. Only 5 micros, so baby, but still. You leaving? Have fun. I wouldn't watch something I'm going to hate the whole time. It never makes sense to me, but, you know. Don't have to make sense to me. Got to use the magnet. Yeah, we'll see. I'll still watch up here for shorts or a potential other trade. I got about 10, 20 minutes left. Got a few more 5-minute candles to find a winner. The only road I ever. Yep, you're always gonna have haters, man. That's how it goes. When you're doing something right, you will. Just got 5K on my live. Nice. That's awesome. Oh, man. That sucks we didn't hit that 210, man. That's the main reject I wanted. Yep, that's all right. I still have faith. I would just hate to try shorts early and then rip up to here. I hate to do that. The 2-bar looked all right. That's why I put way less risk on. If we would have had this 2-bar up here, I probably would have put on 1 to 2 minis or 10 to 20 micros. He was, yep. And no trades on the fundeds today either. No solid retracements. The Asia low ended up being all right. I wasn't watching it at the time. It honestly looks like we want to go lower now. I hate that we don't have that continuing volume. Jdun, give me a trade. Take a trade. You want to take a trade that bad? Take a trade. You don't. I'm not your dad. Used to do against. Oh man. Hey, put some respect in the market milker. Come on. Such a bummer. We got literally to 200. Oh, let's see. Let's see. Oh man. Now it's just gonna freaking chop and chop and chop, or slowly move down. We might just slowly move down. Come on, baby. I have $200 to start with. What's a good starting investment? I think you're best probably starting with a prop firm. Go get a 50K account. Lost $300 with one micro. It means you lost 150 points. I can tell you what a mini would have done. If you would have had a mini, you would have lost 10x that. You would have lost 3,000 with a mini. How y'all doing today, Team Bull? You guys stay alive? How's everyone's DOD been? How has your execution been? Because I just posted the podcast / student interview with our very own student Jay Mortello that has gotten 200,000 plus in payouts. Make sure you guys go check that out. Man, watch it just slowly move down. Yeah, go give that a like, guys. Come on. Go give that a like, everybody. If you guys have an hour, please go spend an hour watching that too. Or at least at a minimum, go open it and let it play through. Help the algorithm reach more people. Hit that like, let it play for an hour. I'd prefer you actually listen to it, but he made $200,000 with prop firms. Go watch the student success interview from the DoD Discipline Trader Program. Oh, man, we're going to go back to low a day. I freaking knew we were. I freaking knew it. Yeah, you'll learn a lot from the interview, too. It looks like we want low a day. We'll see. This will be the telltale right here, 28,000. Make sure you guys all go watch that 200K in prop firm payout student interview and go subscribe to my second channel. I think it does want low day. Jdun is the real one. I'm not even a student. Profitable from watching his YouTube videos. That's awesome. I mean, I think the shorts, I hate to try it early, and I wanted to see us move to 210. That's why I haven't done it yet. Maybe like a 50 entry wouldn't be bad. Like a 50. Like 50 to 60 with stops at 100. Might not. I just hate that we might bounce 28,000. Yeah, I hate the idea of us bouncing this 28,000. That's the only problem I have with this. I think we could see a nice short entry here. It's a little higher risk. I would have rather seen 210. Yeah, but it's long gone for now. So we'll see. Hello, what's up, bro? The competing plan. Man, I wanted to see that retrace. Dang it. Would you long at low a day? No. I personally wouldn't. I freaking knew we were gonna go down. Look at this. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it. As a reminder, guys, Lucid just changed the game with their Lucid dailies. There is no reason to be trading with Take Profit Trader now. So if you have in the past where you have accounts, if it don't work out with those accounts, which I hope it does, switch to Lucid. Use code Jdun. Well, the reason I said that is because Lucid has dropped their daily plan that's the most comparable and better. Yep. Better firm overall. Better customer service, less rules. Just a better firm overall. $30% off with code Jdun. It's on the website. You can't go to the app. It's on the website. Oh, man. You have to be logged in. Yep. If you log in, you'll see it. Any promo code for the premium room. Yep, you can use code JDUN in your first month. JDUN. Do I think shorts go past low a day? I'm not sure, man. We didn't get the main setup I wanted. The pros are good too. Yeah, I agree. Shorts are getting sketchy too, especially with this candle close right here. I agree. I agree, man. Jdun with the big buns. I got big buns. Yeah. Nope. It's one baby loss. One literally basically break even loss. I mean, I technically read, but whatever. 5 micros on a live. It's all right. I'm just a little skeptical for shorts. I think it's worth potentially 50 to 60 a try, but I'd still go lower risk again. I wouldn't try my full size or even close to full size. And especially now if we reject 43 and move down to nothing. I had to go piss. I'll be right back. We'll see if we get it. When I get back, I'll be right back. Ain't no way we went up there right when I left. Ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way we tested the area when I left. We'll see. Didn't quite get there, but we got about a point away. I also don't love that we're bouncing 28,000. So we'll see. That is so lame, market. So lame. I'm stuck in a losing short today. You didn't have a plan. Yep, it's Metallica time. That's honestly what we need. Man, that sucks a lot. And bouncing that 28,000 again doesn't help our cause. Yep. We'll see. Dang, man, that sucks. Wait, I'm not going anywhere for another 10 minutes at least. I'm not going anywhere. What a bummer, dude. What a literal bummer. Literally a point here. And also 10 points back up at 200. What a freaking bummer. And no volume on that candle either. So that sucks as well. What a bummer. What a freaking bummer. Oh, just a small loser on a 2-bar. Only 5 micros. Only micros. No full risk. I actually do have to leave it in 10 minutes though, actually. Like all seriousness. As a reminder too, our Discipline Trader program classes start today. I'm super excited. 7 p.m. Eastern time. If you're in the Lifetime Access and Discipline Trader program, those classes start today. Super psyched. Yep, you can. Put things in perspective. There is so much value. 80% of people who booked their call have signed up. Just saying. It's genuinely extremely valuable for everything you get. So if you'd like to join, you can tap in, hit that link, book a call with my team, and see if it's a fit for you. If not, I got plenty of other options between premium and lots of free options as well to learn. I'm still watching shorts 50 to 60. It's just higher risk with how much, like, look at this 28,000 area we're bouncing. Lots of wicks. We also just about touched 50 here. So we could still get this rejection in here. Stops at like 100, but it's just a little higher risk. All right, let's see, everybody. I got to make this phone call. I'll be right back. We have basically no trades right now. If we go into 50 to 60, maybe. Let me see if they answer first. You guys got to go watch that student interview, too. At a minimum, go open it, hit that like, and let it play all the way through. Come on, at a minimum, help it get more reach. It's a great interview, too. You'll learn a lot. It's not fake if you got the text. If you signed up. So hesitant to try the short with this hold at 28,000, guys. I mean, it could work 50 to 60, but this is the spot, guys. It's higher risk. Let's see how we react up here. Let's see, what are we at? Starting one more piece of shorts at 50, guys. 50 to 60. I tried one more small piece of shorts. Only 5 micros. So I'm going to try one more piece. I have to go in 3 minutes. Only 5 micros for me, so it'll be that $1,000 loss day if I lose. Yep, only 5 micros. So if you have a small account, I'm also not trading on my fundeds either. No trades on my fundeds on the looses that are each up like 10K a piece, or on the FFFs. This is the area I like though. 50 to 60. If you go above 100, then we likely just chop the rest of the day and I'll be done. It'll be 2 small losers for me. Again, only on my live account, I'm only trading 5 micros. So even with 1 micro, the risk on this, let's say at like 60, is like $80. I also have to leave in 3 minutes. My stop's at 100. Yep, 100 flat, so... I don't like that we're holding on the 1 minute, but this is the only other area I like in this aggressive 5-minute candle. This is area 50 to 60. Stops at 100. I also have to go in 2 minutes. I have an important phone call. I hate trading when I have calls to make. All right, guys, here's the deal. I have to go in 1 minute. I have this phone call. So we're sitting around that break-even point. I think I like this trade for micros. I would never go full size on it. I'll be down either 1,000 on the day, so less than one full size risk trading day, or if we get low day, it'll be a good day. So that being said, I have a phone call in less than a minute I got to go to. So please trade smart and trade safe. Stay focused. Choose DOD, and I'll see you guys for Power Hour, potentially. Maybe Power Hour. All right? God bless y'all. Y'all have a great rest of your day. My stop on these micros is at 100. Not my best trading day. No meaningful pullbacks. Missed my 210. We'll see what we end up getting today. But God bless. I'll see you guys for Power Hour. Trade smart, trade safe, and choose discipline. Please don't blow yourself up. Hopefully we get a nice move down now. God bless. Peace.